Hello friends, in this video I will show you Google Map useful settings. Okay, let's see friends, I show you. First friends, you open Google Map and change this all settings. So friends, all setting done ready. Turn on this setting to keep a record of the place you go. Later you can check which place you visited and on which date. It's like having your own personal travel history in Google Maps. So friends, this setting useful for everyone. If you like this video, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.